Hi guys, welcome back to Shalee's Bakes Cakes. As you can see, I have my two youngest here helping me today, and we are having kids in the kitchen today. We are going to make some Easter cookies. It's the same recipe that I used a while back when we used our M&M cookies with our little mini chocolate chips. And we put pudding in it, and it makes them so moist and so yummy. We're gonna make that same recipe today, except for we are gonna put spring M&Ms into it just to make them that much happier. Also, with all this craziness going on in the world, it's a fun recipe you guys can make with your kids in your kitchen so they don't get super bored, right? So I had my kids just smash up these M&Ms today. We mashed them up because we don't want huge M&Ms into our cookies. So we have fun smashed M&Ms. And now let's get baking.
Okay, Paxton, can you put those 2 sticks of butter in? We need 1 cup of butter, so 2 sticks.
All right, okay, then we're gonna have Payson put 3/4 cup of sugar and 3/4 cup of brown sugar. Right in there. Nice work, okay? All right, now we're gonna mix it. Okay, we mixed our butters and sugars together, and now we're gonna add our eggs. We just put 2 eggs. The boys didn't want to do the eggs, so I'm gonna put the eggs in. And now we're gonna do a tablespoon of vanilla. Paxton, can you put that in? Good job. Okay, now we're just gonna mix this up now. Now that we have that mixed in, we're gonna have Payson add in our pudding, which is the key ingredient to our yummy, soft, delicious cookies. All right, we're gonna mix it. Now we are adding our flour and our, let's see, how much flour are we putting in? 2 cups of flour. We're putting just a pinch of salt and a teaspoon of baking soda. Go ahead and put those in, Paxton. All right, now that we have our cookie dough combined, we're gonna scrape it off, and then we are gonna add our, what are we adding, Paxton? Crushed M&Ms. Okay. We're just gonna fold those into the cookie dough instead of use the mixer. Now we are gonna have Paxton dump in our crushed M&Ms that we crushed with just a rolling pin. How, boys? Did we get to crush those with a rolling pin? Yeah. And then Payson's gonna mix up our dough. Okay, now we are going to scoop our cookies onto our parchment paper. Okay, go ahead, Paxton. Just using a cookie scoop, this is super easy. Or you can just have your kids roll in a ball and just set them on the cookie sheet. Good job. Take it home. All right, after we've had our cookies put on the cookie sheet, I just have some extra of these cute M&Ms, and I'm just gonna set them on top, just a couple, and you can do that just a minute, yep. And I will, it just makes them look a little bit more festive. So yeah, so we use those extra ones and put them right on top. All right, our cookies are ready to be baked, and
preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Bake cookies for 10 to 12 minutes.
all right, we'll see you on the flip side. Thanks so much for hanging out today here at Shalee's Bakes Cakes as we have our kids in the kitchen today. Make sure and subscribe to my channel for lots more fun. And the cookies, how they turn out, boys, what do you guys think? Think they look good?
Yeah.
I think they look awesome. Let's try them. Should we eat them? All right, let's eat them. Have a good day, guys. Thanks for watching Kids in the Kitchen today.